Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the mobile data not working on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in your smartphone. Now for that, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with the smartphone in the box. Or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now just take the SIM tray out of your smartphone. Now from here, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM tray. Now from here, also check if there are any scratches on your SIM card. Now once you have done that, just insert your SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now after that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just tap on connections and tap on mobile networks. Now from here, just make sure to enable VoLTE calls. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on network mode. Now if your area supports 5G, just select 5G. Now once you have done that, just go back. From here, just scroll down and tap on general management. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on reset. Now just scroll down and tap on reset mobile network settings. Now just tap on reset settings. From here, just enter your lock screen password. Then tap on reset. Now once you have done that, from here just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the power icon over here and select restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the mobile data issues on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. And this is how you can fix the mobile data not working on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.